Okay, I just untaped this box from Amazon of the Silicone Baby set, like dinnerware set. There's a few colors. Oh, green, I love it. And then one more can. So cute. Let's open one of these up. That bowl. So this will be great so it can suction to the high chair. A nice straw cup with a lid. Let's see how the lid goes on. Yeah, it stays on. And doesn't topple over easily, but should be good in the high chair. Each one comes with a matching bib. I love that these will catch food that they spill. Cute. And a sectioned dinner plate with these. So cute, and I love all the different colors.